Very great to have her here. Barbara from Barnet Alliance. Thank you.
Hi, I'm from the Barnet Alliance for Public Services. Barnet is one of central government's flagship mass outsourcing councils. The Barnet Alliance has been fighting this battle against the mass outsourcing, privatization, and cuts to our public services for more than 4 years. Our campaign helped change the Tory majority on the council from 11 to 1. Now that council is mired in scandal. 3 Conservative councillors are under investigation for serious complaints against them for what we might call alleged crimes and misdemeanors. This council has spent tens of millions of pounds outsourcing our services. Now, the IT service and the telephone service outsourced to Capita is in meltdown. Residents find it almost impossible to reach their services or their counselors, and counselors find it almost impossible to do their jobs. Because of a flawed allocation of members to committees, the council is now in complete limbo, paralyzed until they redo this job in July. Tens of millions of pounds, while they cut funding to the schools and centers for severely disabled children. Tens of millions of pounds to private consultants, while they try to cut the pay of the lowest paid care workers by 9.5%, while their bosses get 6-figure salaries. This is not acceptable. There is another way, the people's way, our way. Yay! And that is why we're here today. Thank you.